Project Esther uses terms HS and Hamas Support Network and HSO Hamas Support Organization to rebrand what they call the so-called pro-Palestinian movement. That includes groups that have organized pro-Palestinian protests, such as Jewish Voice for Peace, and then other large nonprofits. The ultimate goal of Project Esther is to dismantle this entire network within 12 to 24 months. And when this document was published, they said they were ready to go once there was a willing administration occupying the White House. President Trump's administration and Republicans have called for actions that appear to mirror over half of the goals outlined in Project Esther, like purging what they call propaganda from curricula, that targeted faculty and staff are fired, and deporting some pro-Palestinian advocates from the US. Since President Trump took office, his administration has blocked billions of dollars in federal funding from universities. They've moved to deport pro-Palestinian activists and revoke their visas. And they've started monitoring online social media content of immigrants for anti-Semitism.